Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn history on or off in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials to access your chat workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main chat interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a list of your conversations. This includes both spaces where you collaborate with teams and direct messages where you chat one-on-one with other people. Click on either a space or a direct message conversation where you want to adjust the history settings. For this example, let's click on a direct message conversation with another person. This will open up your chat thread with them in the main window, allowing you to view your conversation history and adjust settings specifically for this chat. Now, at the top of the conversation window, you'll see the person's name displayed prominently. Click directly on their name to access additional options and settings for this particular conversation. This is where you can control various features related to your chat with this person. After clicking their name, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Turn off history and click on it. By turning off history, you're ensuring that this conversation won't be saved in your chat records. This is particularly useful when you're discussing sensitive information or simply prefer not to keep a permanent record of certain conversations. It gives you more control over your privacy and data retention within Google Chat. If you later decide you want to turn the history back on, the process is just as simple. Repeat the same steps by clicking on the person's name at the top of the conversation, and this time you'll see the option has changed to turn on history. Click that option to re-enable conversation history. Turning history back on means your future messages will once again be saved and searchable, making it easier to reference past discussions and maintain a complete record of your communications. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control conversation history in Google Chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.